Hey, my friends, this is Vineet, and today on HEX Star interview, we have Rekha Thomas. Rekha is from Bangalore, and Rekha has just graduated from our 10 weeks of Diamond program, and she has been an HEX Star. She has earned the trophy. Yes, you want to share your trophy, Rekha, to everyone? Yes, well deserved and well earned. That means Rekha has got amazing, astonishing results in the 10 weeks journey. So, welcome to this HEX Star interview episode, Rekha. I'm so happy to see you here, and I want to hear from you. How has been your experience in the last 10 weeks?
Thank you so much, Vinay. It's a wonderful opportunity you've given me to come and share my experience with many who will be watching this. So it's been a wonderful journey, life changing journey, and I have progressed from um, feeling less than confident sometimes to a very confident and slim and energetic and healthy version of myself. I've moved away from laziness, procrastination, and feeling a little embarrassed sometimes when I go out to a more confident person and feeling great. Yeah, energetic and doing. I'm doing a lot of more, achieving more, feeling more energized and generally happy with who I am and what I'm becoming also.
I'm so happy to hear all these success, all these changes that you are experiencing. Why don't you share with us exactly what all have been wins for you in the last 10 weeks?
Okay. One, I would like to start that I weighed around 79 kilos, and as of today, I have lessened almost close to 10 kilos. So I'm feeling really very happy, and I think many of us who go through the weight loss journey know it's not very simple. Sometimes we struggle to even lose 1 or 2 kilos, and it shows on our face. And especially, and everybody keeps commenting, why are you looking so tired? Why are you looking so dull? Your skin and all has become lifeless. Nothing like that happened here. You can see me. I've lost 10 kilos in the past 10 weeks, close to 10 kilos, and I'm looking brighter and more active and full of energy. Yes, thanks to the program that our dear Vinith is taking us through, and it has really helped me to be able to not only lose weight, but a lot of other like my blood sugar levels have stabilized, and my cravings, food cravings, has reduced drastically, and I'm now following a routine. There is no mid morning snack. There is no desire to have it also. And when people are offer me something with confidence, I can say no thanks. Wholeheartedly, I really do not want. So it is not that I'm saying in my heart I'm thinking, oh, I wish I could have had. No, and I'm really full, and there's a satisfaction of uh, of a wholesome satisfaction is there within me, and yes, and my I have been a high blood pressure patient for several decades, and that also is reducing. And I have noticed that there are so many of my other chota ailments that I had, just seem to have evaporated from my life. It is like I need to remind myself, oh, I had all these things also in my life, and I was, no, though it was not a struggle, but it is just there, it's there. And maybe, when I'm trying to do something, suddenly there is a pain. And all these things, I had pain in my right shoulder post COVID, and I've been, though I didn't take any painkillers or any medications, but it is there. It was a constant reminder when suddenly I tried to reach something behind me, I couldn't. but that has reduced so drastically, and now I'm, without being conscious of it, I'm trying to reach something behind me and not feeling the pain. And some years back, I had fallen and I had compromised my right knee. I've been very, very severely warned by my doctor that I need to be cautious when I'm walking, when I'm climbing upstairs, when I'm standing, now to be very careful. And I had a constant pain in my right knee also, but again, because of these 10 weeks, that has, kind of almost non-existent. And of course, as for everyone, hair is important, isn't it? Hair is like, it shows, but and I mean, as I think, all of us like to tend to look good, and my hair would become limp after a couple of days after I wash my hair and all that. But after this program, I've noticed, more than me noticing, there my friends were noticing. They're saying, Rekha, you see, your hair used to be so limp, and now there is a bounce and there is volume. What are you doing? So I just smile and wave, and I say, yes, you'll get. If you want, I just have not revealed it to them. So anyway, these are all the positive things that I'm enjoying, and of course, all of us want to be energized throughout the day, and we want to achieve a lot of things. Even if I'm at home, I would like to be the best of myself, isn't it? All of us want to be that, and I'm able to achieve this through this program because of high level of energy, and because that gives me the motivation that whatever task I might take up, I'll be able to happily complete it, without being say, "Ayo, why did I begin this?" I'm nothing like that. I'm really energized. I'm happy to finish it, and there's a sense of achievement, a sense of pride, and a sense of, yes, job well done, Rekha. Good job. So yeah. So these are some of my changes that I have seen in my own life.
This looks to be an amazing, it's like a miracle story that you've been telling. You've been telling you've lost 10 kg, your cravings have diminished. You are saying there is a reduction in your HbA1c, your lipid profile has improved, cholesterol has improved, triglyceride has improved, and many small symptoms like the pain which was there on the right shoulder, or the pain which was there on the thumb, or you hurt your right knee in the past and there was a pain there, all that pain has disappeared. And also there are side benefits, like the hairs have become bouncy, more shiny, and all of this while you did this, it's been a joyful experience for you. It's not a painful experience, it's been a joyful experience for you. It looks too good to be true, Rekha. This almost looks like a miracle story. Tell us, what has been the impact? What is the impact on your own life? And what is the impact on your loved ones? You actually did it with your spouse, right? So how's been the impact on the family? How's been the impact on the gatherings? You both run a business also, right? What has been the impact when you go out in the public and people watch you, and maybe someone did not see you for 2-3 months and like suddenly they see you? What all has been that impact? Can you talk about that a bit?
So I will start from home first. So yes, I did it with my husband, Thomas Jacob, and we did it as a couple because we try to do things together because it's that much more simpler and easier for both of us. And so it was initially, the baby steps was very nicely done, and we were able to motivate and encourage each other in all areas. And initially, yes, we were a little hesitant, but then once we got into the program, there's a community, there's so many people, and together, we are doing things, and it gave us both a sense of belonging. When he would come home, we had something more to talk about. How was your day? Were you feeling? How was it happening? Were you able to finish your work? He would ask me, I would ask him, and both of us were sharing the increased energy levels. And Thomas, my husband, is very particular. He used to go every day and check his weight. And he would come out and say, I lost 1 kilo, and then I used to feel within me, I'm not a kind of person who steps on the weighing scale every day, once a week only. So I think, oh my goodness, dear God, am I going to lose at least 1 kilo, or will I? What is then when I look into the scale, I've lost more than two, one, like 2 or 3 or 2.5 or 3.5, and oh, it was, it's something to look forward to each day. And one of the things, when I look into my wardrobe, I fit into most of my clothes. Which earlier, I would be so, some function or somewhere to go, will I fit into this dress? Or is this sari blouse going to be tight for me? Now, nothing like that, like I can take out anything which is 10 years old and I fit into it and it's perfect, and some of them are loose, and I feel a sense of achievement and a satisfaction. And the same with my husband also. He lost more inches than me, and he was my encouragement and my motivation also. It helped me. He helped me, to say, yes, you're getting there. You're getting there. You're looking slimmer. And yes, that is our home situation. And we have a daughter. She used to come and tell, "Oh, I'm feeling so jealous, mommy. You're looking younger and younger by the day." And she would say the same thing about her dad also. She said, Dad, your skin is shining. Your face is smooth like a baby's skin." And that is still true. I know my husband, his skin has become smoother and clearer and brighter. And yes, as we stepping out, the office, of course, everyone started noticing. So, like, ma'am, how we had a function, so we had everyone, all the office gathering at the office, and everybody were complimenting and saying, "Ma'am, you've lost so much of weight, and it doesn't show on your face." That's the first thing everyone was saying. You don't look that dull. You're looking, your face has become smaller, but you don't have wrinkles or anything such thing. You're looking healthy and brighter. And so that was a compliment that itself is such a boost for anyone's morale, and including mine also. And yes, as in our church, everybody started noticing and asking me, "Please tell me what you're doing. I would also like to do." Like today I went to give a few of my clothes to the tailor, and suddenly as I walked in, she said, "Rekha, your face has become so small." And then I said, "Yes." And then she noticed me. She said, "Rekha, you slimmed down so much. What are you doing? Keep doing. Don't stop now." So it was after a long time she's seeing me, and she's really very happy. She said, "Rekha, I'm really happy for you. Whatever you're doing, you continue, and it's been successful for you." And she kept telling me, "Your face is not, is not looking dull." I know that's one thing that everybody notices. And if any of us have done weight loss program, we know the face first reflects your, dull. It changes. It'll take some time to recover. But yeah, this has been my experience at home, at church, at office, and the people who have met, just like today, and it's been, it's nice. It feels good, You just smile and feel good within myself.
You are really living high energy experience, right? Weight loss is a byproduct, but that high energy and it reflects on your face. The glow and shine is all around, and that's how people are a bit surprised. You're losing weight, but you're glowing, you're shining, your energy is going up. Yeah, that's what the high energy experience is all about. You have just finished the program, and there are many small things in the program, small system processes, routines that we have. If I may ask you, what did you like the most? Maybe your top three personal picks that you like the most about the program.
Okay, so my top three would be, I'll start with three. The third one is that, there is a system in place. It's not, it's there's science behind it, and there is some. a lot of research has been done, and this program is built in such a way that anybody who puts at least, even if they have put 50% of their interest initially, will end up putting 100% because they know the program is going to. The program is such so nicely built in this 10 weeks, and it's life changing. So my second would be, in the program, we in the beginning we are asked to empty our cup, and which is, I found, very much true, because every day on your phone we are bombarded with health facts. This is the diet you have to do. This is what you have to do, and it will raise a lot of questions. And our if our cup is not empty, we are always caught in, oh my goodness, what is? Am I really doing the right thing? There's always so many questions. But emptying the cup, it really helps. So that for me is number two. And number one is you, Vinit. So it is your energy and your guidance and you're there, as if your physical presence is not there, but it's like as if you're there looking over, patting us at all times, and saying, go ahead, no problem. It's going to happen, there's a lot of encouragement. And when we listen to your videos and when we listen, there is a lot of inspiration that is given, and we know that you have put in a lot of effort uh, to each of us. Not only to, I know personally you have helped me a lot because of how you're monitoring me and how you are guiding me. So it's almost like, though I have not met you personally, I feel like I've met you personally every day. I'm meeting you personally. That's kind of a impact that your life experience and how you interact with us has made me feel. So that will be my top three. I would like to share.
That is, that is such, yeah, such an amazing share and such a humbling experience for me to hear from you. Now, tell us, in case if you have to rate, hypothetical question, but if you have to rate this program on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest, how much you would rate this program, your overall experience?
If there's something about 10, I would rate it above 10 also. But definitely, yes, super 10. Yes. I would like to go overboard because of the joy that I'm feeling within me. And I know, like, I think many of us will have shared the same thing. Yes, I would definitely give it a perfect 10. Okay.
That's amazing. Now, last question, but it is very important. If someone is watching it first time, right, your and my conversation, and they're a bit skeptical, maybe they don't believe much in themselves because of the past history, or they have tried some other program, it did not work out, the results were very temporary, or maybe they were deprived, and for any reason, if someone is having some skepticism and they're not very sure whether this program will work out or not, what is your message?
I would say, please don't hesitate. Trust Vinith, trust the program, and jump in headlong without any worries, because you will look back even after 2 weeks maybe and see, that was the best decision you have made. And don't worry, it will not compromise your health. It will not compromise your life. It will not compromise your daily routine, because everything will explode in a better way, and in a way that is what you have not expected, and it will be spectacular.
That was such a great and a very powerful message from you, Rekha. Personally, I'm so very happy to host you on this episode. You've been an action taker, you've been a role model. Thomas and you both were a team together, and your names were coming in that weekly dashboard, which showed and proved that you were doing all the assignments. I'm personally so happy to help you that you got all these fantastic results. You have been such an action taker, and now you're being role model. Friends, family, neighbors, people have started noticing you. It was such a joy to work with you in this 10 weeks program, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, Vinay. Thank you so much. I really appreciate what you're doing. Thank you.